Department of Education, Secretary Sunny Angara.
Thank you very much. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. To our leaders from Congress, Congressman Jojo Ang, thank you for the kind words, sir. Congressman Lawrence Noy Defensor, to our undersecretaries, Undersecretary Olegmar, Undersecretary Corvera, Undersecretary Persosa,
Governor.
Gov Toto Defensor is also here with us. Palapakan po natin. Yeah. Asek MJ, Asek Mars, Asek Janir, RD Ramir is with us, our SDS here in Iloilo City, Ma'am De Los Reyes, and si Principal, Ma'am Cecilia. Magandang hapon po to all our beloved teachers, to our students and staff here at Iloilo National, the very historic Iloilo National High School. I think it's my first time here, if I'm not mistaken. And such a historic institution with such eminent alumni. With Senator Miriam, no less than Senator Miriam, one of the great senators of our land. And what's the other one? Your father, no? So, ang uhusay ko, bilib ako sa mga Ilonggo, sa totoo lang. In fact, my wife is an Ilongga. She's from Bacolod naman. And I can trace my political career. I have, of course, one of my mentors is my late father, but two of my mentors hail from Iloilo province because in the House, as a young congressman, I was a member of the Committee on Rules. The exact position that Kong Noy Defensor occupies to this day is Deputy Majority Leader. You are a Vice Chairperson of the Committee on Rules, and the Chairman of the Committee on Rules then was a certain Art Defensor Senior. So yun po ang naging mentor natin, nagturo po sa atin the value of abiding by the rules, knowing the rules in Congress, and how to navigate the parliamentary procedures, to shorten debates, and to have productive legislation. So, yun po, I owe that to the father of Governor and Congressman Defensor. Please relay my warmest regards to your family, to your father in particular. And my second political mentor is the very famous and eminent godfather of Iloilo politics, si Senator Frank Drilon, because he was my Senate President when I became Senator in 2013. In fact, he was our campaign manager when we traveled all over the country. So inalagaan po kami noon, and I think of our slate at the time, siguro 9 or 10 of us out of the 12, we got 9 or 10 of the 12 slots for the Senate. No? So maraming salamat sa mga Ilonggo. We've not forgotten, and I'm very gratified with our partnerships in the Senate with the gentlemen here and the province of Iloilo. We've helped your hospitals, we've helped your schools, and with, alam po, sa distrito po ni Congressman Noy, all over Iloilo, and all over Panay Island with Congressman Jojo, meron po kaming mga joint projects, and we're very proud of our affiliation, our collaboration, our cooperation. I think if you want a model of good governance, performing government, dito po kayo tumingin sa province of Iloilo, and you will see very committed, intelligent, compassionate leaders. Kaka-launch lang po namin ng project where the DepEd assisted, but the provincial government of Iloilo funded a career guidance program for our young people, funded by the province of Iloilo and assisted by the DepEd and the University of the Philippines, Visayas. So maraming salamat. Congratulations on that very worthy project, Governor Art. At we look forward to further, now wearing a new hat in the Department of Education. You can rest assured of our support, our continued support. At kaya pala maraming tarpaulin ang Uswag party list dito sa likuran natin. Nag-i-expect din sila ng maraming project mula